Hey you guys, so I have a thrifty haul for you, and this is I'm gonna do thrifty treasures from Dale, not too shabby Dale. I'll have all the information on the links below, but I was able to pick up a few things. I went to a doctor's appointment and I looked over to my right, and there was a thrift store in an area. This was an area of town that I'm not familiar with, but there was a thrift store that I have never seen, never been to, so I thought I'd pop in there, and I found some really cool deals and good stuff. Alright, so the first thing I got were these giant cards, and I've been wanting some of these because I've seen people that have them, but these were $1, you guys. So these are going to be great to have some fun with. I can't wait. They're just like regular cards. So I was really excited to have these. I have not seen these. And so that was fun. Okay. So then they had a bunch of little golden books, you guys, for 75 cents. And I was so excited. Okay. So this one was $1, and I love these smaller ones, you guys. I want to make small little journals, little colorful journals. This is Elmo, Shake a Leg. So they're pretty good condition. This is copyright 1991. It's not too old. So that was $1. The little one was $1. This one is it's 75 cents, but I know it's a reprint. Let's see, this was a 2011 edition. So this is not an old book, but I know it's, let's see, 1953. Yeah, by the images you can tell. So this is really cute, Daddies. I thought that would be really cute to do a journal. And then I got two of these. These are Peter Cottontail, and they're not too old. 2014. Really good condition, but I thought I can make a couple Easter journals or fall journals. Or just Easter journals. Somebody could put like their Easter, yeah, both of them are 2014. They could put their Easter memories in those. This one is I'm Not Sleepy. And they're all, this one is also in really good condition. This is 2017, so yeah, not old at all, but I've not seen that. I got a Beauty and the Beast. This one is, where is it? Where is it? I don't know. I don't know. But I thought that would be fun to make a journal, Beauty and the Beast. This one was really nice. I have not seen this one, A Blessing from Above. I thought this one was really pretty. Ashley and Luke from Mimi and Poppy. Aww. 1999. Wow, this is really pretty. I love this. The imagery is really nice. This was really cute. You guys, I did a review on a little light thing that I got from the Dollar Tree, but this would be really cute to like trace and make, you know, make your own little ephemera. And, you know, so that's what I'm thinking. You know, and then do watercolor, but trace it, put it on here, you know, and then trace it. If you don't know how to draw, I mean, that wouldn't be hard to do. Dragon Hiccups. I am the year of the dragon, and so when I see something with dragons, I get it. So, Dragon Hiccups. This will definitely be for me. And then this one is a soft cover, you guys, and it was 25 cents, but it's the Red Hen. And it's a big one. It's the big one. But I thought this will be cute You know, I can even cut out, fussy cut some of the images for a journal. So I got that. And then I found this. And this was $1. And this, I got these because it has these classic bingo. I'm going to grunge these up, you guys. And I will show you. I'll bring you guys along and show you what they look like. But I'm grunging those up for sure. So this is all brand new. Let's see. Yeah. There's another bingo card. So, yeah, I'm grunging these up. They're going to look really old. You watch. That's what I'm going to do. I got that for $1. And then I told you guys that I am going to do a Candyland book. I want a Candyland. I want it because it's colorful, it's fun, and I wanted all the ephemera and everything for Candyland. I might use this and make this my book, you guys. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I have ideas for this, but this is on my to-do list for 2024. And I'm ready to go with that. So that's going to be fun. I don't know. We'll see. But I thought it'd be fun to have all these for, wow. Oh, this is the Disney Candyland, I guess. Yeah, Disney Princess. Wow. All the princesses came in here. You guys, I did not know that. That is cool. I love that. For $2, I would have bought just the princesses. So, yeah, I didn't even realize that. So that'll be fun. Look. Yep. So I was excited to have that. I'm going to take those out because I'm going to do something. I'm going to put those away. All right. So that was a little... oh, did I show you guys? No. So I'm going on a camping trip, and my friend loves to sing. She's like the Tucson karaoke girl or lady or whatever. But anyway, she's awesome. She loves to sing, and I got her this. Then Sings My Soul. That's awesome. I love it. So she could put it in her RV if she wants or wherever. Anyways, I just wanted to share that with you. I think it's a great little haul. I hope you guys are doing well. I will see you guys on the next video. Or you guys will see me on the next video. Talk to you guys later. Bye.